Following Barcelona's triumph in securing the Spanish League title last season, Barcelona wasted no time in initiating the extensive overhaul of their stadium. The renovation effort involved a comprehensive overhaul, including the removal of the existing pitch and seating arrangements. One of the most notable aspects of the renovation is the expansion of the stadium capacity to accommodate up to 105,000 spectators. Alongside this expansion, the interiors of Camp Nou will undergo significant refurbishments, incorporating escalators and modernizing the press facilities. Notably, the project will introduce a roof to the stadium, making the construction of the largest roof in Europe. In a nod to sustainability and preserving the club's heritage, Barcelona planned to repurpose concrete and steel from the original stadium in the new construction. In addition, to enhance the stadium's infrastructure, the redevelopment is part of the broader Espio Barca initiative aimed at establishing Camp Nou as Europe's premier sports and entertainment destination. While initially slated for completion ahead of the 2025-2026 season, there is growing optimism within the Barcelona camp that the stadium may be partial completion by the end of 2024, allowing one of the utilization of two-thirds of its capacity. The full inauguration of the revamped arena is expected to follow in the subsequent year. During this renovation period, Barcelona are temporarily hosting their home matches at the Estadi Olympic Luis Companies, which boasts a capacity of 55,000. The renovation of Camp Nou holds significant financial implications for the club. Upon completion, Barcelona anticipates an additional annual revenue of 25 million, 25 million euros, making it a total of $32 million, providing a welcome boost to their financial outlook amidst recent challenges.